I would say that Jim's proven system and knowing in detail how to work that, I'll be able to fill in the money management, which I already have a pretty good handle on, and I will work on the psychology, which I probably have a reasonably good handle on. But for me, the actual detail of the system was what really counted.
I am loving the course. I'm loving the whole thing. I particularly feel it was very good value, and I find I'm able to relax. And I'm able to relax because I feel the people who are behind this, who are running this, are good people, have integrity, and then in that situation I'll be able to learn. So very good, very holistic, and I'm very excited as well. I'm thinking about my future for myself and my family. I'm confident of success in the future.
So this is one of the best weekends that I've spent. I think that the information that's been provided has been invaluable. I'm here with my son, and we've both enjoyed it thoroughly. It's great meeting other people interested in share trading as well, because as has been pointed out at this boot camp, it's an isolated practice, and to talk to other people about what they're doing and their experiences has been terrific, and it's really encouraged me to keep going and given me the confidence to get involved even more. So thank you very much.
I came here because I'm about to start trading. I haven't actually started yet, and I've got to say I'm really glad I came, because I can see it's going to save me a heap of money and aggravation just having the systems and the knowledge. Really great, and I strongly recommend it to anyone else looking to start out in trading.
It's been a weekend very good. It's just good to have just normal people here. You think traders are special people, but it's just normal people like me. So it's very good having Jim's information is just very spot on. He knows what he's talking about, and it's very good.
Oh, look, he's the real deal. Really simple. Shows you exactly what he does every day. His entire trading plan. There's no secrets. There's no hype. What you see is what you get. That's what he does, and you can go and replicate exactly what he does, and get the same results. Yeah.
Fantastic. I can't believe I learnt so much, and especially about my stop losses. I've really learnt to control my trading and to have a plan, which I never did before, and I'm a full-time trader, and that's not a good thing. So no, absolutely fantastic. 10 out of 10. Yeah.
The weekend was terrific. This is my second boot camp. We'll come again. It's been fantastic. Catherine was amazing. I'm going to take on her mastery course. Should have taken it on two years ago. Will be a lot further ahead than what I am now.
One of the biggest things is probably the whole three of them talked on was how important your trading plan is. Haven't previously had a trading plan. Winged it a fair bit of the way, but the trading plan and sticking to it is very, very important, and each three touched on that.
Catherine, she taught me how much my mind is important in my trading, and how I need to have a good mindset to be successful. No matter how many tools you have, and how much money you have, if you don't have your mindset ready for the market, for your emotions, you'll come unstuck at some stage, probably.
Because it was organised, she went through the 14 steps, and each of those 14 steps is valuable in its own right. And we had exercises which we will complete. I'll complete them when I go home. But she didn't waste time trying to do the whole thing in class, because you can't. There's too many people who all think different things. But work on your own personality, I think, is absolutely important. It's one of the most important things that will determine your success as a trader. And I plan to do that and revise the whole lot as soon as I go home.
To start with, it's just a great atmosphere. The people are from a variety of trading areas, from beginner to advanced. Jim's trading strategy is simple to implement, and I feel pretty confident to walk away and start a basis of implementing his strategy.
I've been a follower of Jim's newsletter for some time, years, but there's things here, there's so many of the detail. You can't get a lot of the detail of exactly how to trade. And it was time for me to stop fiddling around with it and do it really professionally. So you have a mentor-like gym and you're able to ask questions. You've got the psychological side, you've got the money management side, and you have the technical side. And I think all those are absolutely vital. We've had an excellent coverage over the weekend, and you know, it's just something that has to be done.
Particularly happy on the psychology, the fact that there was a psychologist here, and to present those things and to look at the human side of it. I think that was a great plus.
I think it's planning. It's discipline to stick to a plan and work it and accept that there are going to be some losses, there are going to be some profits, and as long as you cut your losses short and let the profits go, it's a system that's going to work.
And you know, a fraction, if you look at, I've looked at some other educators, technical analysts, and really he's incredibly cheap for the value that you get. Yeah, I would not hesitate in recommending him to anybody.
It is one of the best value courses that you could actually do. Every cent that you put into this, and just there's tiny little facts out of here that will save that money in one single trade, or even getting out of a trade at an entry point. You save that money just in one trade.
If they don't do it, they're crazy, because I've taken so much from this that I trade full time. I live half my time here and half my time in Bali, so I travel all the time and everything. And now trading just at the end of the day, instead of having to watch it all day, and I get caught up in the emotions, and you don't have to. You just don't have to get caught up in the noise and the emotions of a daily thing, and how profitable it can be. So no, I'm very, very, very happy about it. Stoked even.
Jim, John, Angela, Catherine, they're all above board and only have your best interests. As long as you follow the rules and their principles, you'll do very well.